Welcome to the course on delivering CRAMS project for pharma and chemical industries. I am Ravindra and I bring 25 plus years of experience spanning across regulated pharma industry and chemical businesses. Last 25 years, I have worked in the projects of API development, formulations, developing new product development processes, CRAMS, and CDMOs. I have been engaged in the process of education, consulting, and digital transformation. Over the years, I have worked closely with the project teams, the leadership team, and delivery functions to solve the real challenges in outsourced research, CMOs, that is in manufacturing, developing the governance framework, and execution excellence for the organization. In this course, I'll help you connect commercial models, life cycle complexity, and project management practices so you will be able to confidently manage the CRAMS projects in real world. So the delivering CRAMS project, this isn't just only about the chemistry. It's about mastering the delivery of complex and high-stake projects. Why most CRAMS projects struggle for closure? Let's be honest. The CRAMS project don't fall because the scientists aren't smart enough. They fail because of a structural gap. We make commercial commitments before the scientific knowledge is even stabilized or identified. This course is about closing that gap and moving from reactive firefighting to systematic control. The section 1 speaks about the CRAMS ecosystem. First, we are going to clear the fog. We will define exactly where CRAMS sits in the pharma or chemical industry's value chain. You will learn the critical difference between CRO, CDMO, and CMO roles, and more importantly, how regulatory paths like ANDA and NDA completely reshape the management style and tailoring of delivery lifecycle for the CRAMS project. Business and operating models in the CRAMS projects. The project manager is a commercial guardian of CRAMS project. In CRAMS, the way you manage a project is dictated by how the contract is structured. We will break down the shift from FTE, that is full-time equivalent contract models, where you manage the capacity, to milestone-based contract and risk-sharing models, where you manage capability and outcomes as well. You will see how the governance style can't be one-size-fits-all structure. You will learn how the governance depth should match and tailored according to the commercial structure so that you are not just hitting a scientific milestone but protecting your margins as well as customers' interest in the project. Section 3 speaks about the risk and cost architecture of the CRAMS project. In this section, you will tackle the hidden risks that make CRAMS projects unpredictable. Here we will learn that uncertainty is not a challenge to eliminate, provided we are able to identify it through smarter risk management process and a cost control. We will also explore how to govern the change without slowing scientific agility or hurting the project margins and customer objectives. In section 4, we will speak about the life cycle management of CRAMS project. This is the heart of the entire course. We will take a deep dive into the basic scientific life cycle and how to manage those fragile transitions from the lab to the plant. You will learn why CRAMS work actually begins long before the contract is signed and how to handle evolving research phases without losing your grip on the manufacturing or commercial timelines stated by the customer. And finally, we will discuss about integrated delivery model. Here, we will bring everything together into a real-world delivery model of CRAMS project. In this session, you will see how the project manager acts as a system integrator across research, manufacturing, regulatory, and governance process. We will also uncover the decision-making cadence, review rhythm, and practical signals that distinguish average delivery from truly excellent execution of the CRAMS project as per customers' objectives and the future business.